everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful stir fry recipe and we're going to make it with this nice large eggplants, that is the aubergines. We're going to make crispy fried eggplant. Why wait, let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I'm using the aubergine, that is the large size eggplant. So I've taken 2 large aubergines, cut it into half and we're going to cut this into wedges. If there are any seeds, make sure you remove the seeds. Once you've got the slices, transfer the sliced wedges into a bowl. To this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of water. Just give it a quick mix. We're going to coat the aubergine, that is the eggplant pieces, with corn flour. So don't add too much, just adding about 2 tablespoons, just enough to coat the pieces. We're not going to make it like a batter or anything, we're just going to coat the pieces. Next I'm going to deep fry the aubergine wedges. Now the oil is nice and hot, so gently drop the wedges into the hot oil. So we're just going to fry this in batches. You can see the pieces have fried to a lovely golden brown color. So now you can just remove from the oil. So we're going to make a quick sauce. To a small bowl, I've taken 2 tablespoons of sweet and spicy sauce. If you don't have this, you can use ketchup and you can use any spicy chili sauce. Next, add 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar and about 1 tablespoon of water, which is going to dilute the sauce. So our sauce is ready. Let's keep this aside. To a nice wide kadai or a wok, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, about 5 to 6 red chilies roughly cut up. If you have fresh red chilies, you can use them as well. Saute the ingredients for just a couple of seconds. Now add the sauce mixture and mix everything well. Cook the sauce till it thickens a bit and it's not runny or watery anymore. Once the sauce mixture has thickened, add the fried slices. Also add a few coriander stalks and mix everything well till it's all well coated with the sauce. Stir fry on high flame for just about 30 to 40 seconds. Finish off by adding a few sesame seeds. Give it all a quick mix. And once the pieces are all coated in the sauce, turn off the stove and you can serve this delicious crispy fried eggplant immediately. So it's time to taste. It's just perfect. The eggplant is cooked so perfectly, it's so nice and crunchy, and the sauce is coated it so beautifully. Wow, it's such a wonderful dish. It's a perfect starter, as well as you can enjoy it with some fried rice or noodles by the side. So do give it a try, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.